In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import products categories using CSV files in Prestashop. So in order to do this, you just need to head over right here directly into your prestashop.com website, and from in there, click on this Get Started. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here your offers. So proceed to click on the Show Offers option. With this, you can set up your store using Classic. You can choose Hosted and Enterprise as well. For this one, just choose which one you want to actually use. For this, let's discover hosted. You can see in here this part. So for this case, just head over and click on the Start Free Trial in order to access this directly. Now, in order to import product categories using CSV, I have in here this particular support article that can help us. We have this Prestashop CSV import, and all you need to know. So to build an import file that works, make sure that you can actually or you are familiar with the type of file. So you need to modify your data in a spreadsheet first and save your work in a CSV format. So there's no limitation on which spreadsheet program you must use to customize this, so that's actually a good thing. Now you just need to actually make sure that you have this onto the process. You need to have the price column that uses your store's default currency. Categories are indicated by the existing identifier, and the web address of the images must be absolute link, like for example, this format. It provides as well support for UTF and ISO encoding system. So to import it on your PrestaShop, we just need to go to the advanced parameters, click on import, and then from in there, head over and upload the data types for this. Just upload the CSV that contains categories, products, combinations, customers, addresses, brands, suppliers, alias, as well as store contact. So proceed to import it, and you should be able to actually choose or browse it. Then input right here the language and details, click on next step, and map the corresponding data and click on import. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.